is recording X-ray. Hey everyone, my name is Creeper Jr. and Mom Creeper. And today we're doing cookies with Creeper Jr. Mom Creeper. Stupid pineapple. Right there. Come on. Here we go. In case you can see this thing. Pizza. Okay. We need well, pot, yeah, pot. In case you could see, pot, another pot. In case, look at our stuff. A masher. I'll put it right there. A small pot. A blender. Where's the blender? No. Where's the blender? Can. Did you say something? A piece of bread. Like this kind of bread. Alright, let's get started. First, you need a smasher. Oh, yeah. Yeah, we're some one secret ingredient. Peas and corn. So put the peas. Just put the corn in the microwave to make it popcorn. And that's what corns do. Popcorn to 1 minute because corn's always make it to 10 minutes. So yeah. Oh. Already. That's sad. Just got a dime on my foot. So, corn is ready. So, if you see it, it's like corn on the bit. If you could see it, just put it right into the pot and cook it. And stir it. There's the button. So if you see the corners popped, you just put it right there into the blue pot and put it right there. You could do like orange, red, or blue, whatever. Alright. So take your peas and get the fruit can, which we saw earlier, and put it in the pot. Also the peas. Yeah. Let's get that out of there. Let's get it there. Also, use in a smasher, smash the corn. And put it into the pot. Now it's Mama Creeper's turn. Oh no, it's Creeper's turn. Alright. So next you gotta put the pizza in the microwave to cook. I'm gonna use the big one. Let's get the small one out of here. And the big one. Cooking. Next, you gotta get the smasher. Oh wait, no, the smasher. So, get the peas and try to grab it into there. And bread, nothing. Pizza, which is you have to put in here. And voila! And now we need one more secret ingredient. A can. We almost forgot. Here we go. Okay, there we go. Now it's Mama Cooper's turn. So we just have to test them contest. Alright, I'll show you in a bit. Oh my goodness, it's Mama Cooper's turn, which is the fat guy. So we're gonna need a toaster. A toaster. You get some toast. Let's get stuff out here. Okay, also, oh, let's get the bowl. A dime. And not toast. Gross. Stick to a dime. A small piece of bread and a cupcake. The toaster was out of the way. And right there. Some toast. Some of this. Oh, I just farted. Sorry guys, I just farted. That is funny because I don't know why. Right. Useless. I don't need another odd things. Oh, we definitely need a big one. So where we go? We'll do that here. So that. Okay. So we got the big blue pot from earlier, some of this lettuce, and hot dog bun. No, hot dog bun. So you don't have to cook it if you want. Find the blender's top. Like the tent. You also need a pink pot. And where in the heck is the lettuce? Mustard. Right there. Here. And lettuce. I farted again? Why does Cooper start to give up fun? I don't know why. If you want to see Mama Cooper stupid, stick on and make sure to subscribe to that channel and subscribe ours. And we know it's not done. Yeah, it's not done. It's true in the lettuce. Alright, first step, we gotta get the lettuce and peel it. Yeah, here we go. And there. And get the smasher. We gotta smash. Oh my gosh. I keep on farting because Mama Cooper's so fat and I have to fart all day. Jeez. Alright. So get the hot dog bun and do nothing like this. Just try to put it in there. Put it there for once. And you gotta put the mustard in there. With no hot dog. Now a cupcake. Put it in there. And don't forget the bread to put on the toaster. For like 5 minutes. Oh, it's done. Finally. Toast. Now last but not least, use lettuce and smash it. Oh, you have the camera. Yeah, sure don't. So smash it a little bit. Just put it in a teapot for one second and put it in the big pot for 2 seconds. And here's mine. Most delicious. Yummy. This is going to show you my pepper. So we're gonna get these stuff out. toaster. Pot. Yes. So kids, which one wins? Which one wins? Mine's that way, and mine's this way. Tell me in the comments below, is it Creeper Juniors or Mom Creepers? You win. So I hope you guys like this video. And make sure you support for $5. And make sure you subscribe for Mama Creepers farting. Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. And we'll see you all next time. Good.